Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Oshin and I'm not a financial advisor. So today I'm going to share a little story on how I made over 100% investing in the US stock market. This is totally different from the content I put out in the past, and it's only to make you guys know that these things are way possible. The whole idea of starting this channel was to share some of my personal experiences, and I hope I've been able to do just that. There were certain steps I took in order to have these returns in the market, some of which I have shared in the past videos. Currently, the S&P 500 index has returned 15.52% year to date, while my stock portfolio has returned over 100% in 6 months. The first thing I did was I made sure I carried out my research properly before investing in any company, especially those I intended to keep for the long term, such as Tesla and Apple. You can click on the clickbait above to watch my videos on both companies. Like I always say, there are 3 major things I look out for before investing in any company. The first thing I look out for, or the first question I ask myself is, what is the quality of the management team? And the second question I ask myself is, does the company actually innovate? And the final question I ask myself is, does the company pose strong and excellent balance sheet? How much cash does the company actually have? You should ensure that the company has more assets than liability. The second thing I did was I only bought shares of companies when the market dropped in prices, or typically on red days. I never bought on green days for whatever reason. This brings me to my third point. There were times the companies I invested in dropped in prices and I simply just dollar cost averaged. You can watch some of my videos on how you can win big in the stock market, and you will know exactly what dollar cost averaging means. And the fourth thing I did was I was never in a hurry to sell any stocks within this period, except I was rebalancing my portfolio. In most cases, I just added more shares of other companies occupying smaller percentages within my portfolio. And the final thing I did was I took calculated risk. For example, I began investing in travel stocks about 2 months ago as I saw the likelihood of a vaccine being released. I also began investing in real estate stocks as I saw consumer perception was going to change as soon as the lockdowns were gone and vaccines distributed across the world. This was also about 2 months ago. I actually predicted the vaccine will be released and made available after the US presidential election, and an announcement before the US elections was going to jeopardize the integrity of the vaccine. You click on the clickbait above where I spoke on investing in NCLH and ESRT. If you had invested $1,000 in NCLH when I spoke about it the very first time, you would have made a profit of $745. That's about 74% profit. If you had also invested $1,000 in ESRT, that's Empire State Realty Trust, you would have made a profit of 62%, translating to about $622.79. These were some of the strategies I used to beat the market so far. If you enjoy content like this, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video with family and friends, turn on the notification bell so you know exactly when I upload a new video. Also, you could drop a comment down below and I will ensure to respond to every of your comments. And above all, invest safe.